How's it going, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a account on Twitter. The reason I'm doing this now is for a later video where I can show you more things that you can do with your Twitter account and how you can eventually schedule tweets on your Twitter account. But scheduling and all that will be split into another video or two. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and be signed into my Gmail. I already have. And secondly, you need to go to twitter.com, and I'm already at both of these. Come up to the top right corner and hit sign up. That's where it is. This is where it is currently at. And I'm sure in future years it'll get moved, but go ahead and click sign up. And you're just going to type in your full name, and you can click this to tailor Twitter based on your recent website visits, or you can have it not. I'm going to have it not, just because. Once you have filled out all of that, you can go ahead and hit sign up. Next, you will put in your state. You can put in a phone number if you want. I already have another Twitter account set up to my actual phone, so I'm not going to put in a phone number, so we're going to hit skip. Alright, now this is where we get to pick our username. Since this is a tutorial for my tech channel, I'm just going to call it Josh Charlie Tech, just like my YouTube channel. Alright, now hit next. And gives you a little bit of an introduction as to what Twitter is, so let's go. And then they will ask you some things you are interested in. Why not popular accounts? I'm also interested in, and keep skipping all of this. Once you have chosen a few, or a lot in my case, and then hit continue. Then these will be some suggestions for you. So yeah, you can choose a few to follow, or you can click this to not follow all of them, because there's going to be some that you will probably not want to follow, and then you'll be like, why do I have all these? Although this one you should definitely go follow. Definitely go follow this account right here. Alright, enough of the self-advertising. Follow one and continue. Add a photo. So I'm going to upload a photo. Once you have uploaded your picture, you can readjust the positioning. So this picture is very off to the right, so I'm going to drag it there and make it a smidge bigger just to fill up the square, and hit apply. Once that's done, hit continue. Then next it'll ask you to follow people you know by searching your Gmail or your email client contacts. I am not going to do that right now, but you can do that on your own. You'll just click one of the buttons and it'll give you the login page of that email account, and you'll put in your username and password for those, and then it'll search your Gmail or Outlook or AOL or Yahoo contacts. You can do that for all of them, or just one or two or one, but I'm going to skip this step. Next, it's asking you to follow more people. Why? I guess. Okay. Well, I'm going to deselect that, and nope, I will select that one. Why not? And follow and continue. So next, Twitter is setting up your account, and voila. So next, Twitter will need to verify your email. So that's why we have our email logged in. So come over here and confirm now. And voila, our Twitter account has successfully been created. Here you can follow more people. So follow, why not? Oh, I know why these suggestions are here. Well, this just got interesting. So as you can see, right here we have our mini profile, and over here we have the current trends, and right here is your is the feed for all of your current tweets and all the people you follow. Here is where you get notifications, so just as it says, this is where you get your notifications for when someone mentions you, retweets your tweet, favorites, or follows you. Very self-explanatory. Moments is a new thing recently released by Twitter. I still don't fully understand it, other than it's just things that are currently happening with pictures and fancy things, and you can just tweet along, and each thing will start when the event starts and it ends when the event ends. And messages is where people can message you directly. However, in order to directly message someone, the person you're trying to message must also be following you. So if I want to send a message to my personal Twitter account at Josh Shorley, then at Josh Shorley would have to be following at Josh Shorley Tech, if that makes sense. So that's most of it. So next we are going to come up to our profile, and this is where you can edit your profile. You can click the edit profile button. Here you can add a header photo or change your profile picture. Here you can add your website. You can add a short bio. I don't have time to do that. Where you're at. Add your birthday. And I'm going to quick add a header photo. And just like with your profile picture, you can move it up and down. I'm sure you can, yeah, up and down. I'm just going to put it right there. You can also make it bigger if you want. There. And then once you're done with uploading pictures, you can hit save. For your first tweet, this is actually relatively new. Twitter gives you a couple suggestions as your first tweet, or you can create your own. I'm just going to select this one. Why not? And you can. It's very simple to use. There's a lot of other. List is a thing I should mention. Here you can create lists. Like, so if I want to create a group, say for a church youth group or for a project I'm working on, you can create a list and add, give your list a name, create a description for it, make it something that anyone can follow the list. But anyway, you can add people, and then you see only those people's tweets instead of everyone's. Other things on Twitter, you can do more in settings. You can choose your, change your username, change your email, change it, boop, and just do more with settings. Hit save changes. Apparently, anytime you save a change, you also have to enter in your password. Anyway, you can change your security and privacy. You can read through all of that and change the settings. You can change your here you can change your password. Put in your mobile phone and download the Twitter app, and then it'll say what all you've connected to. Anyway, you can change what types of things get emailed to you, and you can read through all that. Where was I? Here you can change web notifications. Again, just read through it. Very self-explanatory. If any of this becomes confusing, feel free to leave comments down below. Find Friends is very similar, is exactly the same thing as the email stuff and why not. You can choose to mute certain accounts. So if you find a account annoying, so if you happen to find my account annoying, which I don't know why you would find it annoying, but you know, why not, then you could choose to mute me. Please don't. Or block the person, period, like if you don't want to hear from them ever again. Here's where we can design our account more. This is also a thing that Twitter seems to have changed over the years. The design applies only to this section right here. So if I went to my new profile, then you would not see the background that I just selected. but I believe in order to see this background, I have to log out, then log back in. Apps are things that you can connect, so you can connect your Facebook so that when you post something to Twitter, it goes straight to your Facebook profile or page. Widgets are where you can create, let's just go ahead and create one. You can create a timeline, so if you go to my Tumblr, then you'll see this Twitter widget, and that's where we get this thing. You can also create a automatic list of things you favorite from tweets from your list of people, from a hashtag you've searched, or from a collection. So if I want to make a feed for a certain hashtag, then that I'm promoting or is part of my business or whatever, you can create a live feed of people who tweet stuff with that hashtag. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my main channel for other wonderful content, and be sure to subscribe to this channel to be notified whenever I upload new tutorials. And I will see you guys next time.